guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. How do I say this? I have another Sephora haul. Am I sorry? No. Do I think I have a problem? 1010%. But it's not only Sephora, it's like Sephora, Ulta, and like a little bit of Target. Like, you know, it's like a little bit of everything. Like a little bit of everything. Alright, well, yeah. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video and welcome to another Sephora haul here on my channel. I wonder why I have no money, and this is why. Like, I have a serious problem. So, anyways, if you guys are interested to see what I picked up from Sephora for like the 6th time this month, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this video. So I have like 2 little bags. A lot of this was online, some of it was in store, so we're just going to get rocking and rolling. So I want to start off with this is not in one of the bags. This is a candle that I picked up from Sephora. It's from the brand Veluspa. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I have a little one burning right here. This one is in the scent Jasmine Rosewood. This one, I literally went based off of the reviews, and all the reviews said it smelled amazing. This is in Japanese Plum Bloom. You guys, when I got this in the mail, like, that was the first thing I did was smell this candle, and I am not disappointed. I am so happy. The reason I picked up like this candle is because I am boycotting Bath & Body Works, because I'm no longer going to be purchasing their candles because of things that I've recently read and stuff that's gotten discontinued and stuff. And the reason I chose this brand is because, first of all, the aesthetic is so pleasing, and from what I've read online, I'm not an expert at candles, this has no parabens, no sulfates, it's made with coconut wax, so it's more of a natural candle opposed to the Bath & Body Works one. If I'm going to be burning candles and breathing them in, and my dog is going to be breathing them in with me, like, I want it to be like healthier, like a healthier alternative than the Bath & Body Works one. So that's why I've transitioned over to this brand. This candle smells amazing. The packaging on these is freaking stunning. They are a little expensive. I think this was like $32, but I mean, for your health, spend it, right? I'm definitely going to be picking up more of these during the 20% off sale, because this candle is freaking amazing. Alright, so now that I'm done with like my health lesson for the day, just kidding, I'm not giving health lessons over here. But let's jump into everything else. So the first thing I did was pick up the Caudalie Grape Water. This is just a restock. You guys know I love this. I can't do my morning skincare or my nighttime skincare without this. If you haven't tried this, check it out. It's more than just expensive water. It's an experience. Like, you're paying for an experience when you purchase this. I freaking love this. So up next, I just picked up the dmariemakeup Yummy Skin Serum Foundation. I'm actually wearing it right now on my face. I just filmed a TikTok on it. I'm indifferent about it at the moment. It's one of those foundations that I need to keep testing out. I'm indifferent. I don't hate it, but I'm not obsessed with it yet. So let's see. And I picked up the Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Lip Plumping Serum. I finally was able to get my hands on one of them. This is in the shade Mauve Glow. It's what I'm wearing on my lips right now. I'm sure you guys have seen the packaging. Stunning. This formula is really nice. It's not like an overpowering lip plumper, which I appreciate. I love a good little like mint to the lip, and this is what that gives. So I like this. I do want to get it in like other colors. This wasn't my first choice when it came to colors, but it was one of the only ones that was in stock. So, ooh, then I picked this up. This is another product from dmariemakeup. It's her Balm It's her Balm Contour. Why do I feel like that's a tongue twister for me? I don't know. But I picked mine up in the shade Light, and I just quickly want to show you guys the packaging on this, because it is like very luxurious. I don't remember the price on this. I think it was like 30 bucks. This is what the color looks like. It's what I have on my face at the moment. I did film a TikTok on it, but you guys got to go to my TikTok and watch it, because I'm not going to give any more secrets away in this video. So up next is actually a point sample. This was 100 points. Sephora, I need you to do better with your point system. Like, your point system freaking sucks. 500 points to get $10. Like, that's ridiculous. That's $500. And this little thing was 100 points. This is the Magic Serum by Charlotte Tilbury. Everybody talks about this on TikTok, and I was like, for 100 points, $100. Let me just get it and try it out. So I haven't tested it yet, but I will be doing a video on it, because I really want to see why everybody loves it so much. And for 100 stinking points, it's better be worth it. Let me just show you the sample. Hold on, because it is so frigging teeny weeny. Look at this. It's mostly packaging. It's barely even any product. Like, this is the product, and then this is packaging. Like, it's mostly packaging. Whatever, we will still test it out and see if we love it. So everything's kind of like mixed, so I don't know, like there's like some Sephora stuff in here and then some Ulta stuff, so I'm just gonna keep going. So I then picked up the Juno & Co microfiber sponge. I got this from Target actually. Do you guys remember when this sponge was like the sponge that like broke YouTube and everybody was using this sponge? I even remember using this sponge. I don't remember loving this sponge though. I remember because it's microfiber, like it leaving like little dots on my face. So I need to like retest it out and see if I do actually like this. I do see a lot of people on TikTok still using it. So it like intrigued me. I was like, let me repurchase that and see if it's good or not. I remember when you could only get this online and now it's like sold in Target in like 5 colors, which is like crazy to me how things like come, you know what I mean, how things go. It's crazy. Then I've been on like a sponge kick lately. I did pick up the Beauty Blender. I've been meaning to like repurchase this because I've been wanting to test it out again because I boycotted the Beauty Blender like 3 years ago and I've been using my e.l.f. sponge since and like haven't looked back. But I was like, people still love this, so let me check it out. And thank God, like it was actually on sale during the 21 Days of Beauty, so it was 50% off at Ulta on Saturday. I think I was just browsing the app or whenever like the first day of the sale was. I don't really remember. And I saw that it was like a first time thing. It was half off, so I got it for $10 because like I did not want to spend $20 on this frigging thing. So I'm so happy. God is good. He knew I wanted to try it, so he put it on sale. But yeah, so I'm really excited to retest it out and to see if I still like it, like if it's still actually good. So I'll let you guys know. I will be filming a TikTok on it. So then I picked up the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. I remember when this came out and this went viral. They only made like one at the time. I think it was just like the putty primer. Now they have like an acne putty primer, a luminous, a mattifying. They have so many different options. But I wanted to pick up the luminous one because your girl loves a good glow. So I will be testing this out and letting you guys know. I'm so curious because I don't really remember if I liked it or not. I feel like I did, but then I feel like I remember throwing it out. So I don't know what my thoughts were. Like my brain is kind of like foggy, so I don't know. But that is why I repurchased it, so we can see if it's good. So up next, I did pick up some new lashes from Ardell. These are the faux mink lashes in the style, I don't know what the style is. I don't think it says the style, but whatever. This is what they look like. I'm like indifferent when it comes to Ardell Lashes. I recently purchased like a bunch of them, and when I would take them off, the glue would still be on the lashes, like from the little sticky thing, and that's like annoying to me because when I would put it on my eye, you could still see it. So I was like, what? So when I saw this, I looked really closely at the band, and it looks like we'll be in good shape when it comes to like the band having glue on it. It doesn't look like it'll have glue, but we will see. I'll let you guys know. And then my boo-boo PR firecracker here on YouTube told me this was the best lash glue to ever exist. So I went and I purchased it. This is the Lilly Lashes the Lilly Lashes Brush On Lash Adhesive. That's why I said brush. Wow. Okay, so this is just a basic like glue for your lashes. So I'm really excited to test this out and to see if it's good or whatnot because I struggle when it comes to putting lashes on. I typically use like my Kiss lash liner thingy that I love. I'll use that and put it on, but sometimes I feel like it can kind of make my liner look a little weird, and I don't know, like I love it. Like don't get me wrong, it makes putting on lashes so easy. But I want something different too. So I am going to retry using regular lash glue. This is in the shade Clear. Obviously, Santos PR Firecracker said that using a clear one is a lot better than using a black one. So we will see if my bestie is right or if he's wrong. We will see. Speaking of PR Firecracker, back to my sponge obsession. I recently just picked up the Sonia Kashuk makeup sponge per his recommendation, and I really like this. It's unlike any other sponge that I've ever like used before. The one thing I do want to say is it does like lose water really quickly. So I was putting on my foundation today, and when I went to put on my concealer, the sponge was like kind of dry. So just keep that in mind, but it does blend makeup really nicely. I really enjoyed it. Like I was shocked at how fast I was able to do my makeup when I first tried the sponge. I really enjoyed it. It was an experience because like I said, it's unlike any sponge texture that I've ever felt, like ever. So up next is from Sephora. This is the Tatcha Lip Mask. I purchased this when it first came out years ago, and then I just kind of like stopped using it, and then I think it expired, so I threw it out because I was going through like sensitivity on my lips, and like I could only use like specific things. So since this was expired, I was like, I gotta get rid of this. I can't keep using it. So I recently repurchased it, and I do like it. I'm not dying over it yet. Like, I still need to keep using it. I've only been using it for about a week. I'm not like over the moon though. Like, I do like it, but I kind of like my Summer Fridays lip balm a little bit better. But I'm gonna keep testing this out and see. Oh my god, I just like wiped off makeup. But I'm gonna keep testing this out and see what my thoughts are and let you guys know. Let me know if you guys love this. I know a lot of people really love this lip mask, so let me know if you're one of them. So up next is just a restock. This is my e.l.f. Holy Hydration face cream with SPF 30. This is my go-to daytime cream. I love using this because it's a moisturizer and SPF in one. I don't want to have to go in with like 5 different things on my face, especially if I'm going to go in with makeup. I just kind of want to do like a one and done type thing. So I love that this has SPF 30 in it, which is really, really good. It's not like it's 15, whatever. It's SPF 30. So I use this every single day. I love this. The one complaint that I do have with e.l.f. is I hate the freaking packaging. Every single one that I bought has broke. So e.l.f., if you're watching this, I love it. But could you like update this packaging? Like put it in a tube, put it in a pump, do something. This packaging absolutely sucks, but the product is amazing. Well, my tweezers, oh my god, my tweezers broke. I had these like leopard tweezers that I've had for like 10 years, and they've just come with me from like Florida, and they've just moved with me from every single place that I've lived in the last 10 years, and they held it down. And I brought them with me to my boyfriend's graduation or something, and I think all the stuff being in my bag bent them, and now they don't pluck my eyebrows anymore, so I had to get new ones. Oh, I was so sad. So I went to Sephora, and I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to buy tweezers at Sephora. These are $27. This is from Tweezerman, and I got a 3-pack of these little teeny weeny. These are so small. These tweezers, when I opened them, finally, I was like, wow, these are like really, really little. But they do work really nice. So this is like the size of them. They are freaking teeny weeny for $27. They are so small, but I've used them and they've gotten the job done. So no complaints over here, guys. But the only complaint is they were $27. So up next is from Wet n Wild. This is their new Prime Focus Primer Serum. I did just do a video on this too. It'll be on my TikTok and on my Instagram reel, so check it out. This feels really nice on the skin though. Like when I was putting it on, it was really nice because it's a water-based primer, which is really interesting to me. So I'm still testing this out. I will give you guys my thoughts at some point on it, but still testing it out. The last product is another product from e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Eye Cream. I saw this in Target and was like, you know what? My eye cream is like $50. Let me like get a new one that's more like affordable and see if I like it. And I love the e.l.f. Holy Hydration line. I think it's really good. It doesn't have any like sulfates, parabens, it's cruelty free, it's vegan, so it has good minimal ingredients in it, which I appreciate. But I really like this eye cream. I even like it under concealer, which typically I'm not an eye cream girl under concealer, but most concealers from what I've tried work really, really nice. Here comes Thor. Are you coming in, sir? Hey! Uh-oh, you were just licking your lips. What'd you eat? What'd you do? Is I am really, really enjoying this as a morning and a night cream. I don't think it works under all of my concealers because some of them that I use, it has like caused creasing, but most of them, it's pretty good. But so far, I'm freaking loving this. All right, you guys, so that completes another totally unnecessary and expensive Sephora, Ulta, Target haul-ish type thing. Yeah, so I have a problem on this channel. If you have a problem like me, make sure you subscribe so we can have a problem together, okay? But yeah, so anyways, that is all I have for you guys in today's video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Say bye, Thor. He's trying to eat my sponges. Like, literally, that's his favorite thing, right? Make sure you subscribe to my mom's channel. Say bye.